Hello traders, this is Wilson from MegaFX. When was the last time you gained 110 plus pips with gold during NFP? You can't remember, right? But if we say to you, all the analysis, all the detailed breakdown how to take this trade where to put the SL, all was defined in our live YouTube session. You still wouldn't believe it, right? All the things that I've mentioned before, everything was shared in a live NFP session in YouTube. Also in Telegram. So in this signal breakdown video, I'm going to describe how we gained and how you could have gained 110 plus pips with our gold signal. This is going to be a short overview so that you can easily understand and replicate all these strategies in your personal trading journey. So without any further ado, let's just dive into it. Now if we just pay a closer look in the 10-minute time frame in this chart, you can clearly see that the price has been consolidating for the last 3 to 5 sessions, because in the previous days, in the Thursdays NY session, in the Fridays Asian session, in the Fridays London session, all the price did was consolidating. So after a bunch of consolidation, what the price eventually did was it just created a lot of liquidity for the banks to grab. So we've got some equal highs here, we've got some equal lows around here and also here, and this means all the retail traders have put their SLs either above this wick or below this wick. So this clearly defines that this is a good liquidity zone and the banks will push their boundaries to grab all the SLs. So just before the YouTube live session, we discussed that as we've got a bunch of liquidity over here and we've got an imbalance area over here, so the price should tap this imbalance area and then give us a proper drop, and that's exactly what happened. Just before the live session, we said that as we've got some imbalances and also some order block areas over here, the price should tap this area. So what the price did was, with the volume of NFP, if I just hide all my drawings, you can clearly see that what the price did was it grabbed, at the same time it grabbed all these equal highs, the London high, the Asian high, the NY high, the previous day's NY high. At the same time, it also partially filled the imbalance that got produced. So after filling all the imbalances, after grabbing all the equal highs, what the price did was it simply dropped and melted. So it got manipulated several times in the lower time frame. If I just open my 1 minute time frame, and if I just open my 1 minute time frame and hide all my drawings, you can clearly see that this was some mixed signs. The first candle that got produced produced a bullish candle, and then the following candle was bearish, and then just following with 2 more bullish candles, and then it eventually dropped around 100 plus pips. So these are the things that you miss out. These are the things that you tend to look at when you are at lower time frame. So I highly suggest you to trade with the higher time frame, such as at least 3 minutes or 5 minutes. These are the trades, these are the signals that we provide in our VIP and also in our free channel on a daily basis. You're never gonna get something like this out of another signal provider. Ask yourself, when was the last time you saw something like this? When was the last time a signal provider came on a YouTube live session and shared their indices, their forex, their crypto knowledge with you? When was the last time a signal provider gave you with weekly forecast videos that actually work? You can't remember, and you will never be able to remember unless you join MegaFX. The best thing is that we're offering our VIP service absolutely free of cost. You don't need any kind of money. All you need to do is, as you are a trader, you simply need a broker account, so you can simply deposit your desired amount on our partner broker, and we will give you the VIP access to all our VIP channels absolutely free of cost. How does that sound? So without any further ado, I think we have reached the conclusion point of our whole signal breakdown video. Good day, happy weekend, stay with MegaFX. Thank you.